Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading online tax filing portal in India. US markets were closed yesterday, but the futures are slightly lower, and Asian markets are mixed as usual. The China has cut the prime lending rate, so that is the news today. SGX Nifty is down by about 50 points, struggling around 18,800. And yesterday, both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers. FIIs have sold for more than 1,000 crore and DIIs for more than 300 crore. Together, they have sold for about 1,400 crore. And this is a big money. And FII is selling, if I am not wrong, after a very long time, they are selling more than 1,000 crore. So after buying so much, they are selling, 1,000 crore is not a big deal, but still sentimentally that will affect. And Bank Nifty particularly is doing very badly, and for the last few weeks between 43,500 and 44,500, it was trading with a huge volatility, and last Thursday the force with which it fell, it even broke 43,500 briefly. So yesterday also it fell with more than the average volume. So all this is a short-term concerns. Even the India VIX shot up more than 3%. At some point of time it was up 4%, but on a closing basis it was above 3%. And in volatility increases, that means it will be adding more volatility to the markets in the short term. And today is Fin Nifty expiry, so that is also likely to add volatility to the markets. Last month, if you can remember, the last 2 weeks of the last month, Nifty was trading violently between 18,200 and 18,400, but it closed around 18,400. Then the first trading session of June series, Nifty shot up more than 100 points to close around 18,500. So if markets are bullish, and we can expect that kind of thing now also, markets may trade violently between 18,700 and 18,900 and may close closer to 18,900. Then the first trading session of July, Nifty may shoot up and close around 19,000. So I'm just repeating what has happened last month, and if the same thing happened this month, so what is going to happen? But the stock markets are not that easy to predict. So if not, everybody will make so much of money. So I'm just saying, so there is a possibility. We have only 7 more trading sessions, and I can tell you the Nifty has the potential to show 3 times upswing and 3 times downswing in the next 7 trading sessions. And that is what it has been showing for the last few trading sessions. Bank Nifty is looking more bearish. Look at the internals. Kotak Bank has fallen nearly 10% from the recent high, and HDFC Bank is struggling around 1,600, whereas its recent high is 1,700. ICICI Bank, it was a very bullish stock, but once it touched 950, then for the last 2 months it has been stuck in the range of 920 to 950. And now Axis Bank and State Bank is also coming under some kind of a selling pressure. Yesterday it was very surprising. Bank of Baroda shot up, but State Bank of India fell. So for medium term to long term, so definitely we are bullish, but for a very short term, the markets are looking bearish. So that is how the markets will behave, because all the weaker bulls will have to be thrown out in order for the markets to move significantly higher. So to throw out the weaker bulls, the market will make a big dip. So the concern now is FII selling, DA also selling, and markets coming under selling pressure at higher levels, Bank Nifty looking more weaker than Nifty, and also India VIX going up slightly. So these are all the short-term concerns. But who knows, markets may always throw some surprises. So markets consensus is dangerous in stock market, and that's why I always say markets break the key levels either on the downside or on the upside when nobody expects or when it is least expected. So who knows, something can change. So today in news, this HDFC AMC, which has been an underperformer for last 3 years, in 3 years it has given negative return. So one FII is selling in block deal, and that may affect sentiment in other HDFC Bank group shares also. So that is also one concern why HDFC and HDFC Bank may be in a slight trouble, and therefore both Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty may be in trouble. So keep watching these key stocks, and so there is, other than that, so there is nothing very important in news flow. The markets are falling under its own weight because the Nifty has shot up nearly 2000 point, more than 2000 point in last 2 months. So correction will be there, and then we can expect some kind of a bounce as and when the global cues picks up. So right now, Asian markets has been, in a mixed scenario for the last 1 month and 2 months. I think some kind of exertion is there. So only in US, that too in Nasdaq, just because of this 2 words, artificial intelligence, there's a huge run up. Other than that, even the Dow is also struggling only. So anyway, so the overall picture is slightly bearish now, and people are, that is evident from the open interest. There was a huge addition of open interest at 18,800, 850, 900 call options in both weekly as well as monthly. So let us hope that Nifty takes some support around 18,700. So I still believe Nifty will be trading between 18,650 and 18,850. I'm in spot. I'm talking about the spot. Future may be 18,700 to 18,900. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.